Hey, Squat, open up this door. Yeah, I got a surprise for you. I'm not home. I've run away to join a satanic cult where they at least take their time to wrap presents for little boys on Christmas. Squat, Santa Claus has come all the way from the North Pole to give you some presents. Now open up. You don't want to piss him off. Okay, but this better not be a trick. And he better have a really, really wonderful present for me.
Little boy, look what I have for you. Santa has brought you some wisdom. Don't dry your eyes, young man. It's Christmas. Holy ho ho.
Thanks, Santa. I feel better already.
Well, it's my duty, young lad, to make all the children on Christmas happy and gay.
Santa, what does Mrs. Claus do every Christmas Eve? She never comes along with you to help you deliver presents.
Holy, Well, good question, little Squat. Good news. Mrs. Claus has a little gingerbread man warming inside her oven, and when he pops out, I hope he looks just like you, my boy.
Santa, when Mrs. Claus gives birth to the gingerbread boy, are you gonna make her eat the placenta for Christmas?
Why, yes, I will. And do you know why?
No, not really.
Because it tastes exactly like chicken. Merry Christmas, Squat. Here's your present. A magic Christmas egg.
So, I don't know what to say. What's inside it?
Anything your little heart desires. You just have to make one wish, and one wish only on Christmas Eve, while sitting on it throughout the night, and then in the morning it will hatch and grant you the most magical Christmas you've ever had.
Squat, you been hiding my smokes again? I can't find my lighter. Where are my smokes? Don't you remember? You sat on it last night. God fucking damn it.
Mr. Egghog, please refrain from swearing in front of the child. It's not very Christmas-like.
It's just lucky Mommy's not here, Santa.
Really? Why is that?
She just take him outside and beat him up on the lawn. The neighbors used to come by and watch. It was a lot of fun for the whole family.
That's not true!
That's enough. Liar.
I am not a liar. You are, you little brat. Why don't you go to bed?
Why don't you go to bed, you fat slob?
You little pecker, don't you talk to me that way. I'm your daddy.
No, you're not. You're an imposter. You're just my foster father. But you're nothing but a drug addict. You spent all of our Christmas money on drugs.
Mr. Egghog, is this true?
Yes.
Why, you should be ashamed of yourself, Mr. Egghog. How dare you?
I'm sorry, okay? Does that make you feel any better? I'm sorry.
That's not good enough.
That is right. You need to be punished.
Jiminy chicken crackers, you're right, my boy. Mr. Egghog, it's time for your Christmas spanking.